Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to create professional mockups in Canva. Here, watch till the end to know everything. Now here to create a professional mockups, and here first how to create mockups using Canva. And here inside the Canva website, you can find the Canva using the link on the screen. Here what you do is to search the mockups depending on the device or product you are using it on. And here type it on the search bar here on Canva, mockups. Let me type it. You can see here mockups, so t-shirt mockups. You can here type smartphone mockups. Here smartphone. You can see here how I type it, smartphone mockups. You can see as made book mockups, frame mockups. You can see as many as you want. Now here what you do is just click on search here and wait for it to find it. Now here you can see smartphone mockups here by sliding down here. Now select anyone you want to use depending on the frame and the type of mockup you are creating. Here I will use this one here. Now you might encounter this, the Canva will switch you to the application if you have the application on your smartphone, but the process is still the same. Now here you can see the mockup. Now here how to place design on mockups. Now here we have found the mockup. Now to place it design here, depending on the product or device you are using it on. Here you can see I'm using device based on smartphone. Here you can see what you do here is to click on it here like this. If you can delete this one if you want all of them, like delete all like this. You can redo it by clicking this icon here to redo it, but here I will delete all. Now here what you do here in order to place your design in here in this already made mockup, what you do is to click on it like this and then click on replace here. Now select the picture design or the photo design you want to place on the mockup here. You can go to the particular folder by clicking here and then slide till you find the folder where you save the design or what you want to place on the mockup here. Here let me use this and then click on it. You can see here and then wait for it to replace. You can see it have replaced here. You can see it. Now here you can also delete this and let's create an entirely new mockup. You can delete the frame, which is this. You can also delete all everything here. And let's create an entirely new mockup. You can change the background here. And here first change the background by clicking on the background like this and then click on styles here. And here select the background you want to use here. Any background you feel like. Here I like to use this white background. Here you can see, which is the PNG background. And here go back. Make sure you delete everything. Now here to find a new mockup frame. Now here what to do now is to click on elements here. Now here type what you want. If it's smartphone mockup or t-shirt mockup, here I will use smartphone mockup. You can see here previous what I typed, mockups smartphones. You can type it like this or you can type it smartphones. You can see here mockup. Let me type it on mockups. You can see here. You can see how I type it, smartphone mockups. What you do now is to send it. You can see many mockups. Those with king icon are the pro ones, so subscribe to the pro version. Now here select any mockups. You can see even the frame. You can see the TV. Now here select it based on the product or the design you search here. You can see how I search it. Here I will go for smartphones based on mockups. You can see here mockups and click on see all. Now here select anyone you like and click on it like this. You can see it here. Like in case it shows two, what you do is just delete any one of them, anyone you want to delete by clicking on it and then slide this down here by clicking on it here and then click on delete. Now here drag or drop any image or picture you want to use into the mockup template like this. Now here what you do is just click on this good icon here. Now click on your gallery here. Now here select the product you want to place to the mockup here. Here I'll click on this icon here. Now here select it as many as you can select, as many as you like here. You can also select only one. Now here click on add to page here. Now here drag it to show this icon here. So make sure it is focused directly. Now here leave it to load. You can see how perfectly it matched the mockup template using AI as the guide here. And here, what you do now here, if you want, you can write up text here. If you want also, you can download it and then use it on your picture design you want to use it on. Here like this, by clicking on this download here, you can see it is preparing it, and here you can see it, you have saved it. Now here, to create a realistic mockup, this is a tips. What you do here is to make sure you know the specific mockup you are searching for. Here you can click on element and then type the specific mockup you are searching for. Here, if it's t-shirt, you will type t-shirt mockups, t-shirt. You can see here, you can also give a specific color mockup and then search for it. You can see t-shirts mockups. You can also search for other realistic mockup here by clicking on this template here and then search for mockups here. And here, let me search for smartphone mockups and click on search. Here you can see already made mockups. Here you can select anyone by clicking on it and then use it for your design or your branding. The benefit is that mockups make work easier. Instead of creating the frame, designing the smartphone, here you can find the mockups and then use it for your design or your product or for your content. So this is how to create professional mockups on Canva. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace and have a great day.